All right, here's your hint for our two Cub Scout groups in their boats paddling on the lake. You'll notice that they start in different locations, okay? So how do we account for that? Well, how we account for that is the first thing we need to do is identify where would they agree x equals 0. So I like to choose the most left spot as x equals 0, and then they identify the location of where the first one starts. And so what that means is we're going to get one of them starting at 0 meters and the other one starting at some value that they give you. Okay. So with that being said, they're going to catch each other in the same amount of time. So they're going to have a common x and a common time. So when we set up our system of equations, this is our common variable. They'll have different velocities, they'll have different initial positions, but they'll have the same final velocity or same final position and same final time. So let's go ahead and do that. So in both these cases, they are moving at constant velocities. The accelerations are 0, so I'm using equation number 2. Even if there is an acceleration, typically use equation number 2 as well. So I set up my equation for each one, and so now I have my system of equations to solve. Typically what we'll do is we'll set these two equations equal to each other. Since they're both equal to x, we'll set them equal, solve for time, plug time back in, and solve for x. So go ahead and give that a try for this one.